So, welcome, Jennifer. And you said that you were excited to attend this workshop. So, can you give me an idea about what excited you?
The fact that I'm just discovering that I'm empath myself, intuitive as well. And I need a lot of direction because what I don't realize is that I feel everything in my environment. And I'm just realizing that now. Um, and it's the fact that it's just some kind of direction. To know that I'm not alone. And because I felt alone for quite some time, just regarding how to navigate just my feelings alone. Yeah, it's been a difficult road for me. I'm not sure how it would be for anybody else, but I know myself. I'm just discovering what empath abilities look like.
Right. And so, did you have difficulty in growing up and feeling like you didn't fit in?
Oh yes, but I've also been under the impression that but that's dealing with the trauma. I've worked with a lot of trauma of my own, and just therapy alone. I've been in therapy for the last year, just trying to understand what is the beginning of me and the end of someone else. My energy, like that biofield we have,
Yeah,
trying
yeah.
to understand it, where I begin and it ends, or I end and it begins. Um, just understanding the biofield alone has just been just coming up for me. Understanding what that looks like to have it in your energy field, what it feels like. Everything is fairly new to me. I feel very new at this.
So having clear boundaries and feeling grounded is something that you're having a bit of trouble with. Is that correct?
Just being an empath in general.
Yeah.
I
So,
keep,
have you done the deep clearing protocol at all? Have you
no, I don't even know what you're talking about.
Well, the deep growing protocol was is sort of the forerunner to this program, and it's 64 statements that you say at least once a day that helps you clear your bioenergy field, like you're saying, of any intrusions, which can be from the outside in, which is going to be like um, can be Wi-Fi or electromagnetic energy, or or smart meters, those sorts of things, or even government intervention, mind control stuff. So there's
Mhm.
that bombardment from outside, and then inside is the sorts of things you're talking about, just trauma, core fractures, toxic emotions, unresolved conflict, which
Mhm.
creates that open field where you don't know where you begin and end, right? Because you're reading everybody else's field, particularly when you're around a lot of people. I know for me, like if I'm in public and I go to do shopping, I'm good for maybe 2 hours. Even though I know how to clear myself, I just get overloaded with all the energy of the fluorescent lights, the people, the
Mhm.
noise, the everything. I just get
Mhm.
overwhelmed. So, learning how to manage your energy field, the 64 statements help you clear what's in the way in order to feel really self-contained in your body.
Mhm.
The exciting thing about this program is it's another shift. Like in the deep clearing program, you clear what you don't want and then you install what you do want. And in this new program, I help you focus on what is it do you really do want and getting really clear on what that is. And then we clear what you don't want. So we're focused always on the end result, not trying to fix something.
Yeah.
So, because if you're always trying to fix something, there's never an end to it. Because
No.
when you fix this, then you're going to be fixing something else. So the whole idea behind this program is you're not broken.
No.
There's
Yeah.
actually nowhere to go and nothing to do except as an empath, stand in your truth, have clear boundaries, be grounded, know who you are, be able to
Mhm.
manage that, and understand that you have you really unique gifts. You're not here to fit in, you're here to change the world. And so that's the gift of this program and what I want to teach everybody. So,
I love that because it was what caught my attention when you had just mentioned that in the title in the post as it was. And
right.
to be yourself and allow, and that I'm not to fit in. Most of my child life and adult life, I've asked myself, why is it I don't fit in? What is it that's so different about me? And I understand now you weren't here, you're not brought here to fit in. You're meant to stand out, you're meant to make a difference. And not just us in general, like society alone, that's all we've ever been taught is to fit in. And if you don't, then there's a sphere setting where you get cast aside. It's like a tribal thing, and if you don't are if you're not adding to it, then you're asked to you're just pretty much kicked out of the tribe. And so I have yet to fit in anywhere, so I'm asking myself exactly that. I'm just learning now there's nothing wrong with me, but I've been led to believe all this time that there has been. So
Yeah,
this, yeah, really,
absolutely.
yeah.
Absolutely. So thank you for showing up and having this discussion, and we'll see you next week, right?
I like that very much. Yeah.
All right. So hopefully we'll get this video to other people and encourage them why it's important if they're empath to come. So thank you ever
Mhm.
so much.
Oh,
Right.
and thank you, Tyson. I'm sorry it's not
That's
today, but
perfect. It's
I'm
absolutely perfect. All right. Bye
okay.
for now.
Take care, and we'll see you next week.
All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye.